Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Teachers, imagine having a tool that instantly breaks down language barriers in your classroom. With Lufe.ai, an advanced AI-powered text, picture and PDF translator, you can communicate effortlessly with students from diverse linguistic backgrounds. Supporting over 100 languages including English, French, Japanese and Arabic, Lufe.ai delivers high-precision translations that sound natural and fluent. Whether you are translating lesson plans, worksheet or study guides, this tool ensures your content remains accurate and easy to understand. It understands context, making sentences flow naturally in the target language. Plus, it adapts to specialized fields like medicine, finance, and technology, ensuring industry-specific terms are translated correctly, perfect for teachers handling STEM or business subjects. Lufe.ai offers free traditional machine translation via Google, Bing, or Yandex with a simple one-click copy feature for instant use. So let's explore this platform. I am going to paste one paragraph here and I'm going to select Arabic language and let me translate. You can see the range is extremely high. It will immediately translate into general Arabic language. As this paragraph is related to education, I'm selecting education and I'm going to translate it, and you can see it's going to be translated immediately. So you can choose the language you need. More than 100 plus languages are already available. Similarly, you can also use image translation. Let me try. So you can see here I have uploaded one picture. Let's try to translate from the picture. So it's going to be auto detect and I'm going to select this time Filipino language. Let's try. You can see here the text is already generated here and now it's going to be converted into Filipino language. So you can see here the results. It's amazing and absolutely excellent. Another great option is PDF translation. So let me try PDF translation. Let me select a PDF. So I have just opened one IGCSE double award syllabus. This time let me translate into Chinese simplified and let's see what is the result. This is from the PDF directly and you can see here it is translated into Chinese language. The best part of this Lufe.ai, which is normally not available on other platforms, is the categories of translations. So you can select the science, marketing, legal, education, finance, medical, technology. So you can get your desired translation accordingly. You can install an extension of Lufe.ai. Don't worry, I will share the links in the description. So let's check the pricing. It is free for basic features. You can see here it can support maximum 1500 words per image. And you can see even paid version is not very expensive. I tried and found it excellent. You can also try and share your experience in the comment section. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.